Hey everyone, I'm Julia, and if you've been staying up way too late editing videos, you've finally stumbled onto the cheat code. Today, I want to show you how to turn your long-form videos into scroll-stopping clips without wasting hours in Premiere or paying for expensive editors. The secret is an AI-powered tool that basically finds the golden moments in your footage and packages them for social media automatically. I'm talking about Vizard, and stick around because I'll show you exactly how to make your content look real and how to automate the posting process so you aren't chained to your desk. Quick note before we dive in, the biggest mistake creators make is inconsistent output, because even the best product page won't help if your feed is totally empty. You need automation not just to create the clips, but to ensure they actually get published to your audience. Let's talk about why this works. People generally hate ads that scream at them, but they love content that feels like a friend sharing a discovery. UGC-style clips are successful because they feel raw and believable, so your job is to capture those spontaneous moments of reaction or problem solving. Most creators lose these gems in the editing process, but Vizard finds them for you, essentially turbocharging your creativity. Before showing you the tool, remember my 5 golden rules for clips that actually convert into sales. First, you absolutely must hook the viewer in the first 3 seconds with a bold statement or a question. Second, keep it short and sweet. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds to respect the viewer's time. Third, sound like a human being instead of a robot, because nobody wants to hear a stiff corporate sales pitch. Fourth, clearly identify the pain point your audience has and immediately show the solution your product provides. Fifth, keep your call to action casual, like saying check the link rather than being overly pushy. Now, let's do a quick Vizard walkthrough to show you how stupidly simple this workflow actually is. Step 1, just upload your long video, whether it's a podcast episode, a YouTube stream, or a simple product demo. Vizard then analyzes everything and automatically detects the highlights based on tone, visual cues, and audience retention. Step 2, let the AI suggest the best clips, specifically looking for things people care about like reaction shots and quick tips. Step 3, tweak the pics by combining segments or trimming them down to maintain your own creative touch. I personally like to mix it up by creating a combination of hooks, demos, and behind-the-scenes content. Step 4, use the auto-caption generator because most people watch videos on social media with the sound completely off. You can easily style these captions to match your brand vibe or keep them minimal for that clean, natural look. Step 5, use the auto-schedule feature to space out your posts so you aren't manually uploading content in the middle of the night. Step 6, utilize the content calendar to organize everything across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts simultaneously. Here's a quick pro tip. Clone your clips in Vizard so you can tailor the caption or aspect ratio for each specific platform. When comparing tools, watch out for generic editors that pick loud, flashy moments that lack context and don't actually drive conversions. Vizard hits the sweet spot by combining smart clip selection with a publishing workflow, which is way more effective than just editing alone. Let me tell you about a 40-minute live stream I did where the AI found 32 perfect clips that I turned into 2 weeks of content. By simply picking the best 8 moments, I was able to drive actual traffic to my links without spending my entire weekend editing. To get even better results, use a prompt in ChatGPT to help you brainstorm hooks and CTA ideas based on your specific video transcript. You want your clips to sound like a friend talking to a friend, so keep it breezy, helpful, and honest. When talking about the tool, be direct. Tell your audience it found the snippets that actually worked for you. Remember to add your own flair with fast cuts or transitions, or even insert some extra B-roll if you're demonstrating a physical product. If you really don't want to touch the editing at all, Vizard even offers managed services to handle the polishing for you. Finally, make sure you track which clip types perform best so you can iterate on what's working for your specific niche. You now know how to generate a steady stream of high-performing content without burning yourself out every single weekend. If you have questions about setting up your calendar or need help brainstorming hooks, drop them in the comments below. Tell me what kind of videos you're creating, and I'll personally help you sketch out a posting schedule. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and I will catch you in the next one.